Hi, my name is Amna, and I just became a first-time home buyer with your home sold guaranteed realty. So, being a first-time home buyer, I wanted a place where I didn't want to rent, and I wanted a place that I could set up myself. And it was about time that I bought a place that would also build equity, because rent money after a certain time is dead money. So that's why I decided to buy a home. So I've been living in New Jersey for over 20 years, and my sister lives out here with her family. I have 2 nieces and a nephew out here. I used to come a few times a year from New Jersey to Los Angeles area to visit them. And my sister would always ask me, don't you think about relocating here? She missed me and I missed her, and things happened in a way that, I decided, okay, I'm single and I don't have any things tying me down, so why not try it? So I decided to move out to Los Angeles. It happened by chance. I was looking at an apartment and I just sent a message to contact the agent, and that's how they connected me to Ryan. And then, from there we went and looked at the apartment that I had previously been interested in. So the main reason how I reconnected with your home sold guarantee, after Ryan and I viewed that first apartment, I went and got myself pre-approved by one of those big banks, and they told me that I didn't qualify because of my student loan situation where they were late. So I thought, okay, I can't buy a property at this time. By chance, luckily I received, a few weeks after that, I received a call from Hazel at Your Home Sold Guarantee just to follow up on, how my application had gone and, what was going on. I told her that I did not qualify, and so, I don't think I can get a home. She said that Your Home Sold Guaranteed can actually work with me because the figures that they had for my salary and my background and my credit, they seemed to check out, so they couldn't understand why big banks, out there weren't able to pre-qualify me. So then Hazel is one of the reasons why, how I, continued my process with Your Home Sold Guaranteed. So again, just to reiterate that the team that Your Home Sold Guaranteed has is very, it works with you. They know all ins and outs about buying your home, especially buying a first home. So do contact them. So Ryan is very, very, very sweet. Okay, that's the first thing that you need to know. And he's very accommodating and calming. I would say his presence is very calming because, sometimes if you're looking at a property, you don't really know what to expect, and you don't know what to expect in the process. And through the entire process, he kept me informed. We kept the communication lines going, right? Communication is key. If I ever had any issues, I could text him anytime, and he would text back right away or speak to me. If I had any concerns, he would talk to me. So my experience with Ryan was that, I think he's a great agent to work with, especially for first-time home buyers like me that don't really know much about the home buying experience. So, I would definitely recommend contacting Your Home Sold Guaranteed, asking them to connect you with their agents. Tell them a little bit about yourself, because that's what I did. And, I think they know how to connect you with the best person for you. I lucked out by connecting with Ryan, so if you contact Your Home Sold Guaranteed, please make sure to connect with Ryan.